I got a fish. Let's see how big he is. Come here, little bass. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As mentioned a few videos ago, I've entered an online tournament for bass fishing. The cool thing about this tournament is the fact that you can fish anytime, anywhere, within the month. Your longest 5 bass count. So my goal is to get as many inches as I can. As of right now, I don't got none, so we're just trying to get on the board today. Wish me luck. So I don't know how well you guys will be able to see this, but when I cast out and I'm working the jerk bait, like I don't know how to describe it. It's not like a hard jerk, it's just like all in the wrist, like a right here. So just a pop it, just like that. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Pop, pop, pop. I mean, that's just what works for me. You don't have to do nothing all extra like that. It just really. But this is a pretty light rod too, so that got something to do with it. But yeah, I just whatever I can work with my wrist, just like that. Yeah, so I just cast out, and while I'm at Alondra Park, in a lot of places, I just cast one on the bank. Trying to get to the island, that'll work too, but I mean, I can't get that far, so I just stick to right here. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but again, it's just right here, just that much. That's as hard as I'm doing it. This could be the right way or the wrong way, but this is how I do it. Just like this, man. I got a fish. You keep talking. Let's see how big he is. Come here, little bass. Oh yeah. It's not a very big one, but we're on the board. Keep talking. Yeah. Feisty one.
Trucha, aquí lo que hay es trucha.
No, it's bass. It's a bass, not a...
Yeah.
You keep talking. I'm just gonna take... You have all month to try to catch 5 fish, and I'm using an old bait that I've used in the past. I haven't used it in a while, but I just, was feeling nostalgic, went to the store to get some, and I cast it out, got a bite on the first or second cast, and it was like doop doop boop boop. Really excited, happy I came out here. At first I was like, I should have just stayed home, but nope. Uh-huh. Here's the leaderboard. Clearly, I'm in last place, obviously, but I still wanted to at least get on the board, and I did that. I'm in last place, but at least I'm on the board. The goal is to get to at least 100 inches. I think I could do it. I got a few spots that I could hit up, and if you guys have any suggestions for me, leave it in the comment section below. But with that said, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Peace out. I appreciate y'all.